What was that, Mason? That's a Ford. Welcome to the J&J Autoworking test video of MVLN088. It's a 1997 Lincoln Mark 8 with 89,000 miles on it, Andy?
85.
85. I've asked Andy the mileage 4 times now, but 95 Lincoln Mark 8 with 80-something thousand miles, it all got lost in translation.
97.
97. See? Letters and numbers. Thank you, Lincoln, for your lovely... Yeah, whatever. Here it is, though. Very clean car. We believe something fell on the roof back here. Well, obviously something happened to the roof, but I don't know. This thing was not rolled over. That's what we were trying to get at. It's not a rollover. Good, clean running car here. It's got the Untitled V8 underneath the hood. I'm going to step inside and fire that up so we can hear it. Let it warm up before we rev it up. We are not selling this. What was that, Mason? That's a Ford.
No,
Doesn't sound. Let's see if it starts. It should be fine though. Yep. 84,499 miles. Step out here and we'll let you listen to that V8. This is not going to be for sale as a swap. We've tried these before. They're an absolute nightmare to pull. So we're just not doing it, guys. There she is though, running well. Take a look at the oil. Not bad, pretty clean. Check the cap and look for a milkshake. Nope, we are good there. See if it's got a trans dipstick. I'll even pull that for you guys, if it has one. Not seeing one. Ah, there we go. Wow, is that buried? As you guys can see, transmission fluid is a nice light pink color. Now, how do I get that back in there? In today's episode, a man puts a stick in the hole. Oh, let's close that hood though. Good enough, it's on the catch. We will have a loaded front bumper for sale out of this car. She's got some paint and damage down here. Let's check the headlights. I'm gonna go ahead and fire those up so we can see if those work.
Messed up now.
Well, apparently the driver's door handle's broken.
And you only told me that before the test video.
You know what? I don't listen when people talk. Do you?
Well, of course I don't listen.
So do I. There you go. All right, let's go ahead and check this out. All right, let's get those headlights on. Yep, both of these xenons are working. Looks like the driver's side's got a weak bulb. Just coming online though. There we go. Both xenon headlights are sold complete with bulbs and ballast. You guys have seen them here working. Passenger fender's in good shape along with the door.
Door is not listed.
Oh, the door's not listed?
Because of that big old ding right there.
Oh, okay. Well, we've got a nice door molding and door mirror. Let's see if any of the taillights made it. Center taillights burned out, but the outer taillights are good. Same deal with the rear bumper, some spider cracking. Very, very nice driver quality though, but this stuff just... Well, it's a 95, guys. Give it a break.
97.
It's the second time I've called it a 95. All right, let's... Yep, door handle's still broken. That's why I put the window down. Let's step inside here and check this out. Driver's door panel's in good shape. Besides this, it's a Ford. What do you expect? Leather's still in good shape. Seats are very nice as well. Let's test the power functions here. Oh, it's loose. That's why it's unbolted. Okay, it does move though. It's unbolted. That's why it's acting weird. Passenger side is in good condition as well. Same with the rear. Nice reconditioning on these would really do these things good. Let's step inside here, get those headlights off. Climate control. Boom, good pixels. Radio's dead, not a big deal. There we go, all of these switches are working. All right, let's test out the transmission here. Reversing gauges. There's drive. Put her back where she was. Man, these are pretty cool. I totally drive one of these. All right, that is gonna wrap up the test video of MVLN088, our 1997 Lincoln Mark 8. If you guys are looking for any of the parts I fumbled through in my test video / review of this bad boy, we'll leave a link down below to our website, or you guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe so I can buy some Hooked on Phonics and kind of like learn how to do my job here. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching, guys.